Hello viewers, welcome to Essay Easy Learning. Now I start one lemma, that is HCF LCM. So we know highest common factor and lowest common multiple, and we know how to find HCF, how to find LCM. So there is a lemma that the product of the numbers equal to their HCF into LCM. That is, if we have two numbers, then obviously we find HCF and LCM of that two numbers, and we product HCF and LCM. What we find, that is the product of the numbers. So we can check this obviously. So we consider any two numbers, that is 26 and 91. So what have to do first, that we have to find HCF and LCM first. So I check by factorization method. So 26, 2 13 the 26, 91, 7 13 the 91. So 13 is a prime number, so stop here. So we can write 26 that equal to 2 into 13 and 91 that equal to 7 into 13. So 13 is the common factor. There is no common factor otherwise 13. So we can say HCF of 26 and 91 that equal to 13. And what is the LCM? That 2 into 7 into 13. That is 14 into 13. If we multiply 14 into 13, we get 182. You can check it. Now we have to find the product of the numbers. That is, the numbers are 26 and 91. So the product of the numbers is 2366. And we find the HCF that equal to 13, and we find the LCM that equal to 182. Now product the LCM and HCF. If we product, so you can see that the product of the numbers and the product of the HCF and LCM are the same. So the lemma is true for any numbers. Okay, thank you for watching.